Welcome, everyone. This is a trade recap for last week, end of September, and today, which is Monday, the 2nd of October. As you know from my live streams, we were having a pretty bad September. We were in a losing streak, but we did manage to turn that around and end September 5% up, which was excellent. And we started October with a win as well. So let's just go through the trades and do a quick recap. So this first one is the 26th of September. We take out Asia lows and we're looking for a long, waiting for our trade entry. And again, if you've seen me on my live streams, I'm very patient, waiting until it comes along. And if it doesn't, I don't take a trade. So this is it. This is where I got my first entry. And I believe that the first one I did take it to a 1.5, and my next one was a 1 to 2. So that's where I got my entry. It comes very close to taking me out. There, it made a double bottom. It goes back up, and I took a second entry here. This was my second entry for a 1 to 2. Let me get that right, and there we go. That was the first one, and that was the second one. So those were two nice trades there, and that brought me up nicely from the losing streak. And there were the two trades that I took. First one went 1.5. The second one was smaller risk and went to 2, but I was happy with that. So that was the first trade. That's 26th of September. We don't trade on Wednesday, which was 27th, although if I had traded, it would have been a nice one, a 5 hour on that, but I don't trade Wednesdays because my back testing tells me that Wednesdays is a very low win rate for me, so there was no point trading that. And we move on to Thursday then. So this is now Thursday, the 28th of September, and once again, price has taken out Asia lows, and we are looking for long on Euro US and waiting for entry patiently. It drops down once more, and this is, I believe, where we enter. There you go. And it's just before London Open. And this was a nice, quick 1 to 2, I believe. It certainly was. That was really quick, and the trade actually went on to run for a 1 to 5, if I'm not mistaken. Some good RRs on this strategy, but I do stop at 1 to 2. So that was a nice one, and there you go. That was a small risk I took on that for 1 to 2. We got that one nicely, and 2 green days after a losing streak felt nice. And let's move on to the next day, which was Friday the 29th of September. On Friday the 29th, we'd had a bearish week, EU being bearish for the whole week, and I felt that this was just going to retrace a bit, maybe go up 15-20% on the day for the week. But since price had taken out Asia highs, I was looking to short this, and I was not very comfortable with a short, but I did get an entry, and I cut my trade quick at a 1 to 1. There we go. That was the entry there, and a quick 1 to 1, and that ended September and the week in green, and September ended up 5% up after losing streaks. So that was great. Not had a single losing month so far with this strategy, and we are up 63 or 64%. So that was September, and then let's move on quickly to today, which was Monday, the 2nd of October. So once again, we are looking at price taking out Asia high. Price comes back all the way down, almost taking out Asia low, but it doesn't. There's a big bounce and a sharp one. Price starts moving up, but we are looking for a short. And it can be scary at times when you see price moving up like that and you're looking for a short, especially when there was a bit of news coming around as well. And my trade came in. Again, waiting for that entry, waiting for that perfect entry, and that's it. That's where I did get my entry. And if you've seen my Twitter post this morning, you would have seen that I cut it short at 1.5, although the trade does run for another 1 to 5 hour this morning. But that's fine. We are happy with our trades. All good. We make the money, turn green, and we move on. As a matter of fact, I think it was even a 7 hour. Entries with this strategy are dynamite, especially when you get them right. But here we go. That's from this morning. As a matter of fact, I think it was 1 to 1 that I cut my risk. Yeah, I did 1 to 1 with all the news. I was not too sure, but again, wanted to start the month on green. Also, I have funded accounts on which I risk less, and I take quicker profits because I want to make my withdrawals. On challenge accounts, I would definitely hold on to either 2 or 3 hour and try past them very, very quickly. So yeah, all in all, a successful few days, 4 wins in a row, and looks like looks like we can hopefully can have a good October here and turn another profitable month in. So thank you guys for watching. Please do join me for the live streams in the morning. Apart from this, I do trade gold, and I've started trading the new Cameron strategy, which is ICT Sun using to pass his top step. So feel free to join in. Um, Feel free to ask me questions, and it's just having a bit of fun, bit of laugh, and hopefully make some money as we go along. So thank you for joining in, and wish you all a very great, very good October. Thank you.